next winner is Money for Drive Advertising, a company that is driving the way forward when it comes to new and innovative ways of marketing for clients in India. With each step, these entrepreneurs are changing the game on how marketing can be done in India by building new channels of advertising.
We started in 2012. We started with the idea to place advertisement on unutilized space like auto rickshaw. Why we choose this medium? Because it's a win-win condition for auto driver as well as for the advertiser. We triggered a campaign initially with 50 autos, and that was a super successful campaign. And then we converted this complete thing into a business model. We were the first company who are doing auto rickshaw advertisement in 2012 across India.
Later we realized the potential of transit media advertising, because when a small sticker can generate a lot of inquiries, then we thought we should explore entire transit media branding across the platform. So we started with auto, then we experimented with cabs, then we did on buses, then we covered entire OH like hoardings, wall paintings and a lot of other things like that. Soon when we have an entire spectrum of advertising, we got some opportunities working with India Post. When India Post is converting their entire thing to India Post Payment Bank, so we developed their entire signages across MP and Gujarat. So we have covered almost 11,000 branches in a mere 30-40 days. So then we realized that the speed and the quality is the only thing people want into advertising. So later we developed technology which gives like a live tracking, because till now this transit media advertising or OH is considered as a grey area of advertising. That to convert it like a acceptable media for big houses, big agencies, we developed a technology, and through that technology we are converting a grey area into more trackable, more genuine, more trustable media.
During this time, we came to know like we need to, no one is giving real-time updates to the client of the execution. So then we developed the application, and now we are giving real-time updates of outdoor advertisement to the clients. Now we are coming up with our taxi top advertising idea also. It's a new media in India. Why we are majorly doing in transit? Because a thought is there in my mind, like why to restrict the air to flow in the city? If you'll just compare from abroad countries, there like in China, in Singapore, they don't have the hoardings are not there. So they are using this transit media for advertising. So the thought that is the thought we are implementing it in India. All the startups nowadays everyone wants tracking. So if Zomato is our client. Zomato we got on board only because of technology. Uber Eats is got board only because of technology. Then the Swiggy is because of technology. Now clients want real-time updates. They want exact data, what you are executing, and they don't want the data after 1 month. They want immediate data. So now it is helping us a lot to close the deals.
Money for Drive, an advertisement company with technology. We are giving real-time updates to the clients. For example, if client wants to execute the campaign in 18 states of India, and through our web portal, the client can see the real-time advertisement updates through the web portal access we give to him.
Winning Pitch is a great platform. 3 out of 5 jury members who are like willing to invest into Money for Drive. So we are getting a single platform to reach such people whom we have to chase for years to reach. And through Winning Pitch and Leaders of Tomorrow, we are just approaching them within an hours, and we are getting replies from them on the mails, and we are connecting afterwards to them. Also in terms of business, we get more credibility, more trustability in the market when big house like ET Now with their Winning Pitch and Leaders of Tomorrow, if they certified your business, so people trust you more on your concept or your business, and getting business will be easy for us now.
First thing, it is giving the opportunity to present our company in front of all the ET Now viewers. Second thing, here you get the opportunity to pitch in front of the investors. So you get a good exposure to present your business and get the investment from the investor. Third, I think it's a very good networking event also, because you come to know about different businesses, those who can be future big companies. So it's a very good networking event also.